To document crime scenes, we use a clipboard. You get to the clipboard by using the upper left on your thumb pad. It brings up the clipboard, and you can laser on any field, move your keyboard around to where you can use it, and by lasering into that field you can put characters into that field, and it shows you on the page as well as the field indicator on the left what you're typing. And so you've lasered on a second field and you can see the characters in that one. You can laser on another field and put numbers inside of it, for instance for a item number, and then put a description inside of that. And so this is an example of how to use the clipboard to document the crime scene itself. And so there's a number of pages, and you can go through each one of these pages and see where you'd like to record any information textually. And so whenever you do that, you can see each field is filled in. If you go back to the original page, you can see all of the data is still there. And this is how you use the clipboard for documenting your evidence.